This is the Frugal Gardener, and I am giving you a sneak peek preview of what's going to happen in the next few days. I finally got my blueberry bush. I get at least one new one every spring. We are not at spring yet. We're about a week and a half away. This is the largest one that I have ever purchased, and I'm expecting great things from out of this. So it's in a bag to keep it moist. I'm going to have to get it out of the bag today temporarily. Well, this is the box it came in, and I'm going to temporarily put it here, but this is not where I want it to stay. I don't think that there's enough nutrients in this soil. Blueberries are acidic, or they prefer acidic soil. And in order to save money, I'm going to add coffee grounds, I'm going to add tea bags, I'm going to add eggshells that I have pulverized, crushed up into a fine powder. It's already done. All I have to do is mix it and get it in. The only thing that I'm going to put in here that is not free from my kitchen is the kelp. Now, having gone through this before, the other thing that I am going to do, and I would recommend that you do, is get yourself some netting, because if you don't, you're going to have a problem with birds and possibly other animals. You're basically giving them a free snack. So I urge you guys to purchase this stuff early. It is March. The closer it gets to summer, the higher the prices are going to be. So in the art of being frugal, I recommend that you get this stuff now. This is just a preview. In about a week, I'm going to do the actual video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick shot, let you know what was going on in the garden. This is the Frugal Gardener. If you haven't signed up, please subscribe right now, because it's going to be an exciting summer. But for now, I'll let you get on with your day. Thanks for stopping by. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Have a great day.